heard about the scholarship by email, and my sister also nudged me to apply for it as well.
I was like, Mommy! I was like, oh my gosh! And she was like, Blossom, why are you screaming? I was like, Mommy, I got this scholarship, and then we were both screaming.
ACB is a good bank, I would say. I'd tell anybody to come here and bank because I can see that it looks after its customers.
I saw the scholarship being posted on my WhatsApp, and I was like, okay. Then my mommy sent it, I was like, okay. Then my brother sent it, and I was like, okay, I'll apply because it's like 3 times the chance. So like, I definitely had many things telling me, Blossom, apply for this scholarship.
I was nervous. I wasn't sure if I would have been successful. I had doubts that maybe they might have been preferences or whatnot, but don't let that intimidate you. Go ahead, apply. Once you have your goals, achieve them, and that's what I am doing. So let me be a living testimony for that.
I was very surprised and humbled as well because I didn't know that I would be here one day receiving a scholarship from ACB, and I was very proud of myself because this, I would say, is my greatest achievement.
We're able to finish smoothly, like no worries, no questions, and I just know that at the end of this, then I have this degree out of the way and I can move on. So I think that this scholarship is very beneficial, especially if you're someone who usually worry, how am I going to pay next semester? With this scholarship, then you can just finish it, just thinking about your studies, basically.
I would like to say a heartfelt thank you for making my dreams come true. I am one step closer to achieving my goals, and I couldn't do this without ACB Caribbean.